Start with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most powerful. Dear audience, today I am here to give a speech on a title, Constructive Role of a Youth in Nation Building. Dear audience, nation building is a process of engaging all the citizens and building social development, political stability and economic probity. Nation building is possible only when all the citizens are involved in the development of a nation. It is the youth which play a very important role in a nation building. Dear audience, we cannot always build the future for the youth, but we can build our youth for the future. Youth is the building block of a nation. Youth is the powerhouse of a nation. Youth is the engine of the development. Youth is the fate changer. Youth is filled with energy. Youth is filled with talent and energy. Dear audience, a youth can change not only the direction, but the direction of the whole world. During this phase, our minds are very active and conscious. We are filled with energy and can do anything if we want. Dear audience, Pakistan currently in the largest generation of young people ever recorded in its history as a 64%. If their strengths are directed in one direction and utilized positively, so it can lift our nation up to the height of a sky. Dear audience, a youth can contribute to the nation in three different significant ways. Number first, scientifically. Number second, economically. And number third, for most important, politically. Dear audience, youth is considered to be the Einstein of a nation. A youth can learn a lot of things related to the science and then research on it and then take out a fruitful result. Pakistani student Umair Masood, still in his 30s and has solved difficult problems, and he was rewarded a Young Scientist 2021. Youth can also play its role politically. Youth is the voice of 1,000 and can sit in the parliament and tell the government that you are not always right. He can participate in the decision-making process and make the decisions more difficult, more effectively. Dear audience, let us not go so far. Currently, the regularization of the young teachers and the fulfilling their demands were made possible only with the wisdom and experience of all teachers and the effort and the struggle of the young teachers. Dear audience, we can say youth is the driver of a nation, but today youth face a lot of problems. Youth are excluded from decisions. Unemployment, underemployment, and poverty are some factors that deprive youth from using their full potential for the personal goal as well as of the society. But today, the youth are also going to the wrong direction. The youth are wasting time using internet, Facebook, television and involved in unnecessary activities. So, it is necessary that the government take responsibility to establish institutions for the youth and guide the youth. In this way, youth play a positive role in the construction of a nation. Dear audience, women face gender-based discriminations and violence as well as unequal access to education and opportunities for the participation and leadership. Gender-based discriminations deprive young women and girls to take a part in socio-economic activities. Education is the best friend and educated person is always respected everywhere. Education breeds the beauty and the youth. Dear audience, for sustainable development, it is important to provide equal opportunities to youth. In this way, we cannot progress under this circumstance and we cannot develop. Youth are the backbone of our nation. We have to take our youth seriously. We have to understand their potential and we have to understand their creativity. Because youth also play a very important role in promoting peace and tolerance. In a world filled with conflict, misunderstanding and tolerance, young people can build bridges of understanding. By rejecting hatred, discrimination and extremism, they create a peaceful atmosphere where progress becomes possible. No nation can develop without peace and no peace can exist without responsibility. Dear audience, nation building is not a one-day job. It is a lifelong journey, and this journey becomes successful when the youth take responsibility for themselves and for their country. A young person who sets goals, works hard and thinks positively becomes a powerful